Stormwater comes from rainfall. Usually, stormwater will infiltrate into the soil. However, some man-made features like driveways, streets, rooftops, and parking lots, it will not allow stormwater to infiltrate into the soil and ground. So when stormwater runoff flows onto the surfaces, it will pick up water pollutants such as fertilizer, animal wastes, oil, and grease. These water pollutants can cause serious health problems to the human beings. For example, animal wastes can contain pathogens which can cause infectious diseases, which is the third leading cause of death in the United States, and also about 6% of all health-related deaths in the world are due to untreated water. Therefore, stormwater runoff can cause serious health problems to the human beings.
So, the Municipal Separate Storm Sewer System, or MS4 permit, was designed in order to mitigate the impacts of stormwater pollution coming from an MS4, which is what municipalities use in order to discharge stormwater. So the most current version of the permit that's in effect is the 2003 version. That's what municipalities are working off of. However, earlier this year, in 2013, a draft permit was released for New Hampshire. And in February of 2014, it's expected that a very similar permit is going to be put in place for Massachusetts. We looked at the 2013 New Hampshire draft permit, and we've noticed that it's much more detailed and much more complex than the 2003 permit. And for this reason, we expect that municipalities, which have limited staff, limited funding, limited time, are going to have some issues complying with the new permit.
So the 2013 New Hampshire MS4 draft permit is a 60-page document created by the US EPA. And what we've done through our project is we've taken that document and condensed it into a checklist and fact sheet. Now, the checklist we created is basically a breakdown of the requirements of the upcoming permit. And we further break it down into yearly requirements that the 2013 draft permit does not provide. So, for instance, a municipal official can look at what they need to do for year 1, 2, 3, and as well as annual things they need to do to meet the requirements of this permit. So the fact sheet we created basically takes the 2013 New Hampshire MS4 draft permit, condenses it into 20 pages, and it provides a clearer description of the requirements presented by the permit, since we found a lot of them to be unclear.